All right, Google My Business. Your Google My Business profile is the most important thing for your marketing to get more leads. If you want to get more leads, you have to realize that Google My Business profile for your HVAC company, right, is the engine that drives all the other leads inside of Google to perform. So, like local service ads leads, PPC, right? Branded leads, everything is like Google serves that based on how well your Google My Business profile is updated and your reviews. Reviews are the number one thing that if you only did one thing well, right? It's get more reviews, more reviews, more reviews, more reviews. Because think about it in the eyes of Google. Google is serving up companies. If somebody in your area types in HVAC emergency repair, from Google's perspective, they want to serve a company that has a lot of reviews, that responds fast, right? That has the updated service, right? So that they will show your company. If all your keywords inside of your My Google profile match what they search for, they're going to show you. So if you have a lot of reviews, you're fast to respond, right? You have a lot of pictures. It looks like you're actually paying attention. Your business is open. You'd be shocked on how many businesses put closed hours. They're not open 24/7 and they don't show your lead, even if you need an answering service. So Google My Business should be open 24/7 and go to answering service. How many you're missing all those leads on Saturday, all the leads on Sunday. So think of this. Google My Business is the engine that runs the entire platform. So it's the entire platform. So it's like, it's super critical. And I see so many companies, right, that come to us and their Google My Business profile is just an absolute disaster, right? It's just a nightmare. So anyway, I'm going to go through what a really good Google My Business profile looks like, right? And the amount of calls we're driving from our portfolio clients off of running this properly is like, this is the engine that drives most of the calls, right? So if your Google My Business profile is not updated, it's not going to show local service ads. If you're wondering why am I not getting local service ads, it's because Google like looks at your profile and says you don't have any reviews, you haven't put any reviews up for 3 weeks, you're not responding to your reviews with the right keywords, your profile's not filled out properly, your business is not even open, but yet everyone's screaming, I need more leads. You don't even have Google My Business profile updated properly. I'm going to show you what a good one looks like, and you can model this for your business, all right? So this is A1 Garage Doors, is a home service company. I mean, they were doing like 100 million. I think they're like 400 million now because they're in a private equity roll up. But let me show you something. This profile is awesome. So a couple things like to look at this and like look at your profile. You probably don't have this. So really great photos. Let's just start out with, you want really good photos. Like that's so critical to it. You want really clear photos. Like you look like a real company that cares, that took time to take photos. They have good vans, good equipment, looks clean, right? Right from the start. How about this? 11,700 reviews. I realize you don't have that, but you need to get up to 1,000 to 2,000 reviews at all costs. If you're running $1 million to $3 million company, like just start getting reviews, right? And build a process on how to get reviews. And we can kind of go over that later, right? So you look at this, they have everything set up properly. They're open 24 hours. Your business should be open 24 hours, even if it goes to an answering service, right? Or your ads are not going to show as well on the weekends. And a lot of people have time to, like, they have AC problems. They want to fix all this stuff. If you're like me, you want to do it on the weekends, right? Because you're busy in the week, right? They have their appointments, how to book an appointment right there, A1 Garage Door. Another thing, you're not filling out your products right, right? So you look at like all these products, like everything that you offer should be here. HVAC repair, every single product that you offer should be there in your services. So your service, it's important to have all your services like in here that you offer, duct cleaning, water heaters, HVAC emergency repair. And I'll show you that exactly for HVAC in a minute. I just want to show you a really good profile first. All your categories should be built out right in there perfectly. All your reviews. So if you go down to the reviews, look at this. All right, right. Say this review came in, right? You see this on the left. The way that you respond here is so critical. So watch this. Thanks, Rick Frost, for the highest rating. A1 Garage Door Services, right? So they put in garage door services in there. So all the keywords that actually drive Google need to be in there. So we give all of our portfolio clients a list of keywords, right? And we update it for them. So it's like HVAC repair near me, emergency HVAC, basically like a hot room, all the key things that like Google looks for that we say, hey, this search has 5,500 like searches. We want to lace all your Google reviews with all the keywords that people are searching for. Look at this. Riley was awesome. Fixed our AC, right? So when you come in here, you want to put, hey, hey, Riley, thank you. I came out for the emergency HVAC service to fix your air conditioner because you didn't have any cold air. And all that stuff's like layered in your reviews. See how critical that is? So that's important. I want to go down here. All your reviews, all your profile needs to be filled out properly. You need to have photos and everything filled out properly so that you can see. But you look at this, these are photos from the actual installs. So you want to be posting, like, treat this as a social media like Facebook. 2 days ago, look at this, 20 hours ago, they did an emergency chain repair for this company. So you should be putting on here, 14 hours ago, we did a service call and did these service repairs for this unit on here. And Google is then going to serve your ads more. Look at this, 3 days ago, garage door resolution. The guy had a problem. Learn more, right? Here's another one. New garage door, comprehensive tune-up service. They put it in here. You should be doing this for everything, right? All right, so let's go to HVAC specific. I'm in Oklahoma, so I'm just gonna type in HVAC near me. Watch this. HVAC near me. This is what your clients do, right? All right, here we go. How do you rank right here in the top 3? It's Google My Business Profile and reviews. That's the only way you get up here, right? These are called local service ads. It's the only way you get here, right? So watch this. Why does every company on the left have 1.4, 2.2, 1.4 reviews? So if you go here, let's click on this guy's profile, right? So we're looking at 4.9 rating, which you want 4.8 or above, 1,300 reviews, which is awesome. And this is Oklahoma, right? 9 years in business. So that's very good. Look at this, 20, it has very clear call to action. All the services are listed. All of these it's so important you put every service that you list, because people are going to type this stuff up and Google's going to serve your company based on what you put in here. Look at this, photos. All your photos need to be updated, right? Professional looking, right? I mean, it's not brain surgery, just a great photo. It looks clear, it looks professional. The guys look clean. They have uniforms on, stuff like that. All your reviews, you need to respond fast, right? So like the thing they did wrong here was like they didn't put their keywords in the response. So that's not going to pull that up. So you're not going to pull up when people search for HVAC near me if you don't put HVAC emergency services, I fixed your HVAC unit in your actual reviews response. So respond to your reviews. There's a lot of strategy with that, right? So let's go here. Okay, I'm going to go down here and let's go to HVAC Edmond, Oklahoma. Let's go somebody at the bottom here. Find out HVAC people. All right, here's an example of not a great HVAC Google My Business. This is more what I see, right, across a lot of companies I work with. So again, only 134 reviews and a 4.2 rating. So that's not great, right? They're closed. That doesn't look good on a Saturday. So you got to go to answering service if you're closed. So this doesn't look good. So what do you think people are going to do when they're searching for your company on Google? They're going to say they're not going to pick a 4.2 rating. So your rating needs to be 4.8 or above with a ton of reviews, right? So like problem number 1, let's go to that. Their picture, like their map is on there. So it's not great. This picture's not bad, right? So it's like, look at their photos real quick. Does it look like a legit company? Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. These are stock photos. Do not use stock photos. I mean, you can if you want, but it doesn't look as good. Let's scroll down to this profile, 4.8. They quoted us, oh, look at this. We paid for the service call, but the problem was not solved. So you got to get bad reviews off there, so you got to make sure, let's see if they responded to it. So you go here, look at this. I'm sorry you had a bad experience. That's a terrible response, right? You got to like fix this and have them actually change the review. So go them, offer them a service, fix their problem, and have them change that review if you can, right? So let's go here. Let's look at the reviews. So let's keep going through the reviews and see. Number 1, let's see if they have this filled out. This is very short, so they really want it doesn't look like they have their services on there. So look, they don't have the services they offer. So their service profile is not filled out. You want to put every service that you have in there. The reviews, this needs to be, look, they didn't respond to this review, right? I mean, I know it's 10 years ago, but look how old they are. They don't have any recent reviews. No one's going to call if you don't have any recent reviews. You need to respond to this review with all the keywords of HVAC repair, emergency HVAC, any service that you did for them needs to be layered with the keywords that get the most search results, right? Which is like HVAC near me. Hey, I know that we were an HVAC company near you. We solved this emergency HVAC call that you had. Now you have cold air and it's working properly. Thanks for letting us do that for you. And that's your review, right? And you need to train your customers, if possible, to have them put this stuff in the review. So anyway, you can, they want to be able to put the keywords in that you need to rank for Google. Like that helps you too, but for sure have it in your responses. And you need to respond fast to reviews. If this isn't filled out properly on Google My Business Profile, you won't get any Like you won't be able to get leads. You won't be able to compete when somebody comes here and types this and everybody does this. Boom. Look at this. Why do you think this stuff pops up? 1.4 reviews, 2.5, 4.8 rating, right? 39 years in business. Look, I mean, look, these look great. You've got to be in the top 3. So we try to get all of our portfolio clients. We want to be in the top 3, and we doubled their call volume because we optimized their Google My Business profile. They got a bunch of reviews. We've responded to all the reviews. And within like 14 days, we doubled their call volume off of local service ads. And local service ads are the most high intent ads because these are the people that are actually typing this stuff in that they want to see you and work with you, right? So when you're looking at this, like you've got to like really look at your profile, take time, right? Reach out to us. We'll give you like a blueprint on how to do it. And we can actually, show you how to do that. But you want actually have all of this filled out. And the main thing is like, you've got to get the reviews. So you got to have all your technicians get reviews. You need reviews. Build a process that your technicians can get reviews, and your office lady can actually put those in the Google My Business profile, right? Air Comfort Solutions, this company sold for like, I don't know, maybe over $100 million, right? But look at this. They have all their services are listed. So make sure all your services are listed on your My Google Business profile, on your Google My Business profile. But like you look at these top companies, 1,900 reviews, right? They look professional. All their services are on there, right? You make sure your service areas are on there too. Your actual service, your counties you actually service, all the details. Like, look how much better this looks. Family owned, 24/7 emergency repair, 4.9 reviews. The work looks great, right? So watch, I guarantee you they responded to this, right? Not a great response though. We're glad you had a great experience. So here's an example, right? Omar and Lane did a great job. They were polite and efficient. When I scheduled, they were very nice and they got the job done, right? Well, okay, the response will be, thank you for the review on this emergency, HVAC call that you had, or this HVAC service that we came out and we fixed your HVAC unit, right? And like Edmond, Oklahoma is like all the keywords in your area that are getting the most searches are now in this, and Google's now gonna actually show your ad, right? Up at the top. So when people are searching for you, good, look, you're gonna come up, right? You have to be in this top 3. It's absolutely critical, right? Let's type this in right here. See, HVAC, near me, right? You want to be on your keyword. So what happens is when you respond to reviews and you put emergency HVAC near me or emergency HVAC service in your review response, Google sees that and their algorithm pulls it up. So if you have a lot of reviews and your reviews are responded to properly, they will pull you up and you will show like this. And this guy might be worth $15,000, right? On a call. So it's like when somebody messages you, like you need to have this open and you need to respond to your messages as fast as you can. But I just see so many companies that don't take their Google My Business profile seriously. And it's the entire engine behind that. Google can drive 10 times the amount of leads, like quality leads too, leads that have ROI. So for all of our portfolio companies, right, we want to set up an ROI tracker where we track back the call from Google to your CRM so you know exactly how much revenue your Google is driving you, right? So if you spend $1,000 on Google, right, and you have this properly set up, but you got $17,000 back, you did a full install, got 10 leads, 4 book calls, did 1 install, right? Then I can go spend $2,000 on Google. But you can't do that unless your Google My Business profile is set up. Hopefully this helps. Reach out below. We have basically the whole blueprint to do this and do it right and get it properly filled out. But it takes energy and effort for you to do it the right way. And someone really in your office has to own the process. So you really need to build a process doc for this where your technicians are getting reviews. They're uploading them every single day, preferably 1 review a day at least. The bigger companies that we're seeing are going 4 to 5 reviews a day. So a guy called me last week, reached out about, working with us, and he was doing like 5 reviews a day, and he's $35 million. So reviews are so important, right, to get your Google My Business profile where it needs to be so that Google will show your ads, and we'll show you the process on how to do that. So hopefully that helps, and I'll be doing more videos around this, just something that's so critical to drive a lot of lead flow, because if you got leads, right, if you can get leads in the door and you can close the leads, you can scale pretty fast. And to do this, you got to have the right Google My Business profile set up.